Hello everybody. In this video we'll talk about the February 2021 Visa Bulletin. We have a new president, new administration, and some exciting news to report. This Visa Bulletin has some predictions as well. So what are you waiting for? Let's jump right in. Welcome to our immigration channel. This is a place where we get the most up-to-date immigration news, immigration updates, and other information to make your immigration journey stress-free. My name is Sapochnick, and I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based in San Diego, California, and I help clients in all 50 states. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel, click that bell to be notified, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to share this video with more people just like you. This Visa Bulletin contains some predictions and visa availability for what's going to happen in the next few months. Just like every month, we're also going to tell you what chart the USCIS is also going to use in determining when applicants can file for the green cards if they are inside the United States. So on January 22nd, 2021, USCIS announced that for family-based immigration, under the F2A category, they're going to be using the final action date chart. For all other family-based categories, they're going to be using the dates for filing chart, and that's again based on the USCIS announcement on the 22nd. On the employment-based side, all applicants must use the final action chart, and that's the chart that I'm going to be going through right now as we discuss the movement. So right now I'm going to jump into the employment-based category Visa Bulletin, and we can compare what happened last month with what happened this month. So let's dive right in and start with the EB1 category. If you look at the EB1, China and India, those categories continue to move forward. The cutoff dates for these two are now set at January 1st, 2020, and you can see what it was before last month. This category remains current for all other countries, by the way. Based on the predictions that we have from this Visa Bulletin, both EB1 for China and India are going to continue to move forward and advance probably by several months as well in the March Visa Bulletin. But let's see what happens. Now we jump into employment-based EB2 category. If you look at EB2, if you look at India only advanced by just a few days to October 12, 2009. If you look at China moves to June 15, 2016. EB2 category remains current for all other countries. So based on the predictions that we have from this Visa Bulletin, India is going to continue to advance by a few weeks each month moving forward. China will be moved maybe up to 3 weeks to a month in the next few months moving forward. We expect all other countries to remain current on the EB2 category for the next few Visa Bulletins as well. Again, these are the current predictions that this particular Visa Bulletin is providing, and so I'm able to pass that on to you as well. Let's jump into EB3 category. The cutoff for EB3 China is at January 1st, 2018. India is stuck at April 1st, 2010. EB3 category remains current for all other countries as well at the moment. And then once again, predictions that we have is that EB3 will remain current for the rest of the world. So if you're applying for your green card based on employment base, it's still a good time to do so. India will continue to advance by 2 to 3 weeks per month, and China will advance by even more than a month based on the predictions that we have right now. EB3 category for other workers, with the exception of China, the cutoff dates for EB3 other workers is the same for each country as its respective EB3 cutoff dates. So for China, it's set at April 1st, 2009. Let's go with EB4. EB4, Mexico moves to December 15, 2018. EB4 cutoff date for El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras. They move forward to April 15, 2018. And EB4 remains current for all other countries. And finally, let's talk about EB5. EB5 remains current for all other countries other than China, Vietnam. China, EB5 is at August 15, 2015. And there's no expectation of any movement in the future. And Vietnam, EB5 is stuck at October 1st, 2017, and may move by another month or so based on the predictions. I also wanted to take a look at the report that was provided by NVC to the State Department on the different visa categories, both on the employment side and the family side, and shows the waiting list of these particular visa categories. So let's take a look at the chart so you can see how many visa applications are still currently in the wait line, and this data is accurate as of November 1st, 2020. So let's look at family sponsor preference, the first F2A. You can see that as of November 1st, they had 235,000 people on the wait list. That increased 271,000 in November 1st, 2020. It's a 15% increase. On the family second, because of the proclamation, we have an increase of more than 46%, because spouses of green card holders were not able to enter the United States. 680,000 people are waiting. And on F2B category, adult children of green card holders, we have more than 331,000 people that are waiting. That's an increase of 17%. But you can see that F2A has been the most impacted, with 91% increase in people waiting just because of the proclamation. Let's take a look at employment base. So if you look at EB2, second category, we've got 23,000 people waiting in November 2019. 30,000 are now waiting as of November 1st, 2020, an increase of 30%. But if you look at the third category, EB3, as of November 1st, 2020, we have 116,000 people on the wait list, 127% increase in people who are waiting. So as you can see, the fact that the consulates have been closed and the pandemic slowed down the processing, there's a big difference between what we saw in November of 2019 versus November 2020. Would definitely be a slowdown both on the employment side and the family side. We're hoping that with the new administration, we're going to see a push in visa processing, and with Biden's new executive orders on canceling the Muslim ban, we've seen some provisions there as well about embassies reopening, and I'm going to make a video update about how their proclamation is going to impact what embassies and consulates are going to be doing in the next few months. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And also, if you want to have a consultation with me, make sure to text me on this phone number right here, and I'll be able to have a consultation with you one-on-one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So if you like this video, watch these two videos for more information just like that.